Good morning everybody and welcome. What we're going to do today is check out Bing Chat. I recently got an email and let me show you what they sent me. Alright, so I'm over here in my email program, and I got an email from Bing. They're saying, "You're in! Welcome to the new Bing! We are excited to give you access to an early preview of the new Bing, your AI-powered answer engine." Well, that's weird. I thought it's their engine, but whatever. "So we would love your feedback to make the new Bing even better. Thanks. We appreciate you, the Bing team." Alright, so that of course convinced me, and I headed over to Microsoft Edge browser. And yeah, I know, Microsoft Edge browser. I had it on my computer already. I don't like it that much, but let's check it out. Alright, so, oh my god. So I'm here at Microsoft Bing homepage, and yeah, I mean, just compare it to Google. Okay, let me check out Google. Alright. Yeah, reject. So this is a simple search engine, okay? Plain and simple. What do I want from Google? Search stuff. That's Bing. All right. So I don't understand Microsoft, really. I don't get it. I just checked previously. Let me just disable all of that stuff, all of that unnecessary trash, and now we have a clean sheet. And here it already is. That's Bing Chat. So before we do anything, we could ask it, what can you do better than ChatGPT? Because that's what we want to know, right? So Bing Chat. Okay, now that's actually just a search. So we gotta click over to the Chat tab, and here we have it. Okay, what can you do better than ChatGPT? And here you can already see it's searching for ChatGPT. So it's kind of giving you more sources than ChatGPT, and maybe it will tell us that as well. "Hello, this is Bing. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI that can interact in a conversational way with a citation from Wikipedia." Cool. "It's built on top of GPT 3.5, a large language model that can generate human-like text, also with sources, one from OpenAI. So that's kind of nice. I can do better than ChatGPT." Oh, now it's getting spicy, "because I can perform web searches to provide you with more accurate and up-to-date information. I can also generate creative content such as poems, stories, code, and more." All right, I think that's maybe already the heart of why Bing Chat has actually some more features. Bing Chat can actually search the internet. ChatGPT has a time horizon, so it's kind of like cut off from the world on, I think, September 2021. So it doesn't know your latest favorite song, and it doesn't know election results from after 2022. So this is really something quite cool, so that you have actual sources and that you can have it search for information online. But about the ChatGPT thing, I'm not sure. So I'll ask it, why cannot ChatGPT search the web? And it takes some time, but it's nice that you see what it wants to do, and you can always click stop responding if it takes too long, or if you don't want to, if you changed your mind, if you don't want this search query. So yeah. All right, ChatGPT can search the web, but not as efficiently as I can. Ooh, a subtle burn right here. ChatGPT relies on its own language model to generate responses based on text data it's been trained on. Does not have direct access. All right, okay, so that's true. Cannot update its knowledge on new information. And always the citations. This is really nice. Yeah. So maybe fair to say that Bing Chat is an extension, basically, of ChatGPT with a few more features and actually capabilities to search the web. And of course, Microsoft and OpenAI have a big collaboration going on. So I guess under the hood, it's very much the same. Okay, so what do we want to ask it? All right, so then let's try Bing Chat's capabilities of searching the web and ask it to summarize a web page for us. So let's say summarize this web page for me. And let's give it a really nice one. All right, what is our favorite web page? Okay, I'm over here at tesla.com and I will ask it to summarize that. All right. Let's see if it works. Previously, I asked it to summarize a page. It said if I provide a link, it would do that. So hopefully it works. And maybe that works for news sites, for example, as well. Oh, but here's the summary already. Here is a summary of the web page. The web page is the official website of Tesla, a company that produces electric cars, solar panels, clean energy solutions. The web page showcases Tesla's products, services such as Model 3, Model Y, Model S, and X cars. All right, that looks kind of nice. Let's try it with a news website. Let's say, I don't know, the New York Times. I'm over here at the New York Times and I will ask to summarize the newest information regarding what? Regarding what? Regarding artificial intelligence. Let's do that. Let's see if there are any articles. Maybe it will give us citations even. Okay, it's looking for artificial intelligence already. Oh, wow. Citation from Twitter, New York Times, a few different articles. This is really, really nice, I have to say. Works quite well. I found something quite interesting as well. So you could use Bing Chat in this weird looking sidebar here on the right. So you can add Bing to the sidebar, add it, and then you can be on your favorite website and have Bing here as your site friend. As again with these weird backgrounds and all of this unnecessary news. Yeah, so you have your chat window right here. So you could ask how to make money and have Bing Chat right here again. And actually, let's see what it tells you. There are many ways to make money, online and offline. Well, that's nice. So you don't need any financial advisors anymore. Okay, stop responding. I don't need that. There's a cleanup button, a magic cleanup button that basically, I guess, deletes all the short-term memory from the chat engine. So that's Bing Chat. I have to admit, it's very nice. If you want me to make more videos about Bing Chat, write it in the comments, subscribe, like, do all that stuff that you know what to do. And yeah, go outside, take a walk, live your life, do whatever, or watch another video of mine. But I think it would be nice to go outside. All right, see you the next time.